Hi Kirby fans, so today what we're going to be doing is checking out an elusive Kirby that I haven't been able to track down for quite a while. So what we'll do is we'll get straight to it. Hi Kirby fans, welcome back to the channel. Again, those new to the channel, if you're getting value out of this content, then contemplate showing support by slapping that subscribe button. It's absolutely free. Ding that bell for notifications so you don't miss any upcoming episodes. Give us a big thumbs up and comment down below. I will reply to the comment, and if you like what you comment, I'll pin it to the video. Right, so in today's video, what we're going to be doing is we're going to be checking out a pickup. Now, this is one of the elusive Kirbys. I've wanted for quite a while, and it was the Kirby that started it all for me, purely because I used to sell them. So that's probably give away what it actually is. So what we'll do is we'll jump in and see what I picked up and have a bit of a look around. So what we'll do is we'll get straight to it. Right, so as you can see, what I've got is not one, but two G3s. So these were gratefully donated by Graham, a retired Kirby dealer. So Graham, thanks again, much appreciated. On my right, we've got a 1992, and on my left, we've got a 1993. There's a few differences between them. Now these have had quite a hard life, and I'm going to have to order some bits from the States and see if we can get them both working. They've got leads on them. Graham threw in some leads. Obviously I want the G colour leads, G3 leads, so I'm going to have to order some G7 leads because the G3 leads aren't available. But this one needs a fan, this one needs a brush roll and a floor plate. So we're going to see if we can get them sort of up to scratch and see if we can get them looking as new as possible. I will put links in the description on anything you can actually use on these Kirbys, and they're always in the description below, so make sure you check those out if you need any Kirby parts. On my right, I've got the 1992. Now, this is the one I actually used to demonstrate and actually used to sell. I was amazed by when the G3 came out. I really was. My mum had a Heritage 2, and what actually happened was she was having her Heritage 2 serviced. The guy came round, was showing her the new G3, and I asked if they got any jobs going, and that's how I actually got into selling Kirbys. I mean, I was amazed. I mean, I did like a week's training, how to clean it, how to take it, how to polish it, how to pack it back in the box. It was like over a week. And then I think we went out and I shadowed a couple of dealers around door to door. It was a really good job. I really enjoyed it. Some people don't like it. I did. Cold calling's a bit hard, but you know, as you go, I had some amazing experiences on there, and I will be doing a live stream for people to ask questions, and I will be sharing some of my stories from when I used to sell the G3. Then on my left, we've got a 1993. So as this model came out, I wasn't selling them. I went back to carpentry purely because of the recession in the UK, and where we were demonstrating wasn't really viable. I wasn't selling. Let's just say there was ladies of the night, and we were demonstrating around that area. So I can't wait to get into these. So it brings back some great memories of demonstrating and everything like that. I think we'll go with the fan one first, actually, because that's the later model. I'm going to order some parts from the States. Again, there will be the links in the description of everything I use and everything I replace on these. I'm not sure how much stuff I can actually get for G3. I might have to use some G7 stuff because it's pretty close. Not bang on colour, but it's pretty close. Right, so we'll start off with a G3. This one says it's got a broken fan. Now, I have washed the bags on these, and I did clean the bumpers. I actually washed these out purely because they were full of spider webs, so I've actually cleaned the heads. Not polished them or anything. So I've cleaned the bags, which I will show in the next video, and I've cleaned the head. So we've got a brush roll on here on this one. Just take this off. So just take the handle off, and we'll have a look at the fan. So you can see that the fans there, that won't even turn. I'm assuming the shaft might have had some heat generated once this fan broke, because it looks like it's literally split in two, but we'll see this in the next video. I did clean these just with some wet wipes, see if they came up. I haven't cleaned the rest of it, just gave it a wet wipe to see if it would come up. It's got the actual cable holder on the back. It's got the original tech drive adjustment, and as you can see on these, they were one single piece as opposed to in two, which could be changed. Obviously the screws missing out the back. The wheels look like they've had a lot of wear. The front ones don't look too bad. So I think this is maybe the better one, because that fan there is actually a grey fan. So I'm assuming this hasn't been run since Kirby stopped producing the grey fans. Otherwise it would have had a new fan in there. Right, so I haven't tested this. I'm assuming it works. It says condition unknown on top, purely because the fans broke. So what I'm assuming is that when Kirby got it in, it was either traded in and they bought a G4. They just left it to one side. Obviously ravaged parts off it, whether it be the wheel caps. It's got the original wheels on the front, so there's not much wear on those original wheels. So I think this might be the better one out of the two, but we'll wait and see when we took it apart and get it back together. The handle is just a bit grubby. There's something on it there. We'll see how it actually comes up. So what we'll do now is we'll quickly jump over to the second one I've got. Now the second one looks a lot worse for wear, should I say. So this is the second one. Now this one, obviously there's no brush roll. Again, I've washed this out and I've washed the bumper and that, but I'm putting new bumpers on anyway. So we're going to have to get a new brush roll for this. We're going to have to get a rug plate for it. And again, I washed the bag out. This one was actually full of plaster. So the bag was actually full of plaster in this one. I think this was had a hard life. You can see there's literally no tread left on the wheels at all. The back wheels look like they've been replaced with G4 ones, and it's very grubby. Obviously this one didn't even attempt to clean anything apart from the head, purely because I didn't want to get attacked by spiders. As we go up, we're missing the little grub screw that goes in there, and then obviously you've got the old style handle like so, but I think this will clean up quite well. And then the tech drive adjustment, we've got a G4 one on here for some reason. So there's no G3 one on there, it's an actual G4 one. But perhaps, it's a bit weird, but perhaps they broke it. I'm not too sure why there's a G4 one on there. I think it would be pretty hard to actually get a G3 one. So what I might do is clean up the G4 one, or I might fit a Centrio one just to bring it up a little bit to scratch, and see how we go with that one. So what I'll do is I'll jump into it in the next video. Okay, so that was just a sneak peek of what is actually coming up on the channel. And again, I've got some more tutorials. I have recorded some. I've just got to edit them, and there's a lot to edit with the tutorials. It takes a lot longer to edit the tutorials and to get them up to scratch on what I'm happy with to air and share with you guys. I want to give you the value and the quality, so I do spend a lot of time on my editing. Okay, so that was just a sneak peek of what's coming up in future episodes on the channel. I can't wait to actually refurb these G3s and get them running and get them working like new. It'd be absolutely awesome, and like I said before, it brings back some fantastic memories of when I actually worked for Kirby, and that was KBA West Midlands I used to demonstrate for. So again, if there's anyone from KBA West Midlands, please comment down below. If not, try and track me down on my Kirby Enthusiast Facebook page. It would be nice to get in contact with anybody who used to demonstrate with. A few names come to mind: Cliff, Joy, Clive, quite a few people. So again, if you could get in contact, it would be absolutely awesome. Right, so again, those who are new to the channel, if you're getting value out of this content, then contemplate showing support by slapping that subscribe button. It's absolutely free. Ding that bell for notifications so you don't miss any upcoming episodes. Give us a big thumbs up and comment down below. I will reply to the comment, and if you like what you comment, I'll pin it to the video. So what we'll do is we'll cut to any bloopers, and I'll catch you in the next one. That's been eluding me. Now these were gratefully donated by Graham. So what we've got on, I've got to figure out which one it is. So on my right, we've got a 2012. No. We've got to say the 2000 and, no, not 2000. And again, I've got some mutual to that. And again, I've got some mutual to that.